Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So if you missed it, the video that I posted right before this one is a paint pour on a vase. That vase was sitting on top of this canvas, and the paint flowed off of it onto the canvas. Now, this isn't quite enough paint to cover the canvas, so I have some left in my cup, and I wanted to go ahead and finish off the canvas for you. Let's jump into it. Okay, well that turned out really cool. I don't think I've ever had anything turn out looking quite like that before. I usually pour straight over anything that comes off of the vases that I do, but this time there was kind of a cool, it almost looked like flower petal pattern. So I tried just pouring straight in the middle and then pouring the excess around the outer sides because I wanted to keep some of that texture. I'm going to let it sit for just a minute or two and then we'll take a closer look. I actually might try my torch on it before we let it sit. Here it is. So to me it looks like a huge sunflower, but like pink instead of yellow and black. And you know, it kind of looks like it's like maybe the stem would be coming down from here and it's kind of facing the sun, which is up that way. That's just kind of the feel I get with it. But maybe you see something different. Let me know what you think. So there are metallics in here. The kind of darker pink is metallic and there's gold. So when I looked a little closer I could see the shimmery. So keep an eye on that when we go in for the closer look. Okay, let's start down here. Oh, you can see all that cool pattern in here. And there's some gold in through here. See the kind of darker magenta. I'm not sure if you can see the sparkles or not, but I'll see if I can get that at the end. And then even in this pink you can see a little bit of white swirling through. And then up here, I really like the black lacing. It's just a little bit, but it looks really cool. And up here, let's go to the middle. So this is kind of where the tree ring was, and it just looks really neat. We got some cool cells. I think that might be from the metallics. And up here, I really like that pale pink with the black and white. I think that looks really cool. And then back down. Okay, I'm going to tilt it to the side and see if I can catch some of that shimmer. It's not really showing up on camera very well, but there is some in here. It'll probably be more prominent once it's dry. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.